Well, according to new trends, to faster changing customer demands, we have to re-innovate our product portfolio. And so with the OneGEA structure, we are first time in the position that we can raise synergies, that we can bring people from different locations, different regions together and really bring forward new topics. For example, the digitalization topics, which does not only affect one location or one unit of GEA.
Unity already joined us very early on to help us to do a really good evaluation of what already exists in GEA. So what is good in the individual product groups and application areas, and what is not so good and where we have certain gaps. And to do this analysis was really the foundation for setting up our own individual innovation system. Then Unity contributed a lot to this by offering a lot of expertise, experience from other industries. On top, Unity gave us or opened us the door to our colleagues in other industries so that we can directly discuss with them why they are so innovative and what helped them to do it cross-company or even globally. Well, the first thing what characterizes a Unity consultant is that he has always really good deep knowledge. But on top of it, I think the Unity consultants match what we call our employees' values. They are down to earth, so they really also look what is feasible in a company, what can be done. And the second point is they really are engaged for us as a company. So they don't only offer concepts to us, though they are really help us to apply it and to get our own people competent enough to do the innovation management in the future by guiding, leading, coaching so-called pilot projects.